One bang game here with I'm live mobile pack opening. So let's start it right now. So I'm gonna do the glitch. So this is it. I have 7-7 overall, by the way. I just got some glitch. I just have 6 days not post. So by the way, I win a giveaway. Oh, look at that massive Bahia Sand Style. He's a live mobile gamer, so check his channel, like, and subscribe. Oh, the rose, not bad. Okay, by the way, this is my first video of 2017 right now in my channel, bro. Okay, I'll just buy some pro packs to hit up the pack opening. Okay, that's bad, guys, because I don't have the money first. Oh, 2 Nixtauskas. Oh, Brandon Knight. Okay, I did see some elite. Oh yeah, impact of Brandon Knight. Oh, Porzingis. By the way, guys, this is massive. Not so massive, okay? Oh, 2 storylines. Markieff Morris, okay? I'm just excited for the legendary pack. Legendary. Steven Adams, not bad. Let's start it. 1, 2. Oh, Zaza. No pack luck bombs. Okay. Sorry guys for the interruption. Yeah, the glitch thing. Okay, pal. Okay, this is it. I will not reveal all because I want one by one. Oh! We got Anthony Davis, guys! Bro! Chris Middleton. Okay, Jalen Rose. Guys, we have Anthony Davis right now. We have the pack lock. Okay, bam! Oh, Patrick Ewing. That sells for a lot. Oh, boom. Guys, this is it. Look at my bench. Oh, yeah, Anthony Davis. Go to collect, boss. Bam. Worst, okay. So, guys, so the glitch is working. Just do this. I don't know if all of you 7 overall. So, guys, like, subscribe. See you.
Cut.